Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Harika. So I've just got some requests from people to do a video on how to deploy the process into the orchestrator. So we all know there are multiple ways that we can deploy the process into orchestrator. So let's say if we have connected to the orchestrator, then it's easy that we can just click on this publish and whatever to the orchestrator that you are connected to whichever folder, so you can see that process into package into the particular orchestrator. But in this video we are going to target how to deploy the process into the orchestrator even though you are not connected to the same orchestrator folder. So let's say I would say publish. This default is not the one that I have connected. Let me show you. This is a different orchestrator folder that I have connected to. But then I'm trying to deploy it into the other orchestrator that I have. So what I'm going to do, I have to give the package name, what I wanted to give the package name as. So I'm giving form demo and the version, whatever the release notes that you wanted to give over here. And here, when you are deploying the process, you instead of orchestrator tenant, let's say if you wanted to push the process into the orchestrator tenant that is connected over here, then go and select orchestrator tenant. Then you don't have to provide any of the URL over here and just click next and then publish. That will take the package into the tenant that you are connected over here to the particular orchestrator. But then if you wanted to give a custom package, then you can go for the custom, and this is the URL. This will be in your local desktop, so where in your local machine, so where you wanted to deploy the process to. So I wanted, if you have any changes, by default it will go to documents UiPath folder, but if you wanted to change anything, you can change that particular path here by selecting and then say next, and then you can just publish. So once after it's done, it will show where the package is stored. So what I'm going to do, I'll just go to the orchestrator where I want my process to be. So go to tenant. Inside tenant, you can say something like packages. So here I'm coming to tenant and I want to upload the package. So here you can drop the files. So I'm taking the form package from here, and then I would like to see the upgrades if there are any. Okay. So once now what we have done, whatever the package that comes directly, if you are connected to the orchestrator, in the similar way, we have taken the package manually and we have added. So now the process will remains the same. Go to the processes and you just have to add the process. So let's say I want to take form demo package and it shows the version, and you can just take the environment that you want to link it up with. So if you have any questions related to machines and environments in the orchestrator, do let me know in the comments. So I would go ahead and do one more video like how you can create a machine, how you can create a robot and all these things. And then I'll just say continue. Whatever the display name that you want to give this as, let's say form demo, and what are the process name. And then I just say create, and that's it. You have form demo. So now whatever the assistant you have, make sure you connect that assistant to the orchestrator where we have deployed the process. So let me just pause the video for a while so that I give my values. After I connect, I can show you the things. And yep, my orchestrator is connected. And I have all the process here. So my process is form demo. So I have this. So once after you're done, once after you have deployed, you'll get all the processes in the assistant. So you just have to go and install it from there. And then once it's installed, you can run the process from here. So if you see, we can start the session. So that's how we can deploy the processes. Even though if you're not connected to that orchestrator, there are multiple ways. This is one such way. So do let me know in the comments if you wanted to see more of any of the videos that you have, any preferences or something that way. So thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you found this video useful.